Well, hello everybody. Today I wanted to show you my Calloway gate and the results of how it's working. I think the previous video I showed you how I constructed it. You notice here we've got magnets here. These are 1/4 by 3/4 inch, just like the other video. Likewise on each side. We've got the North Pole here, we've got the South Pole there. And for we got the other magnet. This is a 2-inch magnet long and a 1/4 inch in diameter, just like these other ones. And I've got it marked north here, of noir for north. And so it's different behavior what we saw in the other video. If I start here, and when it's repelling, it'll go this far, but then it stops here. It's about 7/8 of an inch there, which is really odd. And what I can actually do, it'll actually attract at this point, and it'll actually go down the middle. So it seems that the other pole that would do the attraction, in this particular case where it's north here, you'd have South Pole in there. It actually seems that it's actually attracting the South Pole deep on the inside to the North Pole there at this particular point. So that's kind of odd. The other thing I was thinking what might have made a difference as well is that with this distance here, I thought maybe I shouldn't make this so big. Maybe I should have made it a little tighter in there so it really wasn't as dramatic, so that would move. So you can see it moves, it stops, whereas if I do it this way, it'll immediately move away the other way, right? And if I do it in reverse, and it tends to go, but it's not doing the same kind of flywheel effect that the other one is. Now, part of it is as well, this has only got 48 magnets as opposed to the 54. So there's 24 on this side and 24 on this side. And I suspect what's happening is that there's a very strong magnetic field there and a very strong one there, but down the middle it's very weak and it's falling off. So it's not really sort of one continuous magnetic field. So I think what I might be able to do is to put the 54 magnets in there all together. So instead of 15 degrees separation between these two, it'll be 13.3, and it will hopefully, that might be able to make a difference as well. So I wanted to show you what the results were, and like I say, it's very odd. The other thing, I've kind of got cheap bearings in this skateboard wheel. I thought my first reaction was that could have been the case, but maybe not. I'm not sure how big a difference that would be. So after all this work, it doesn't work quite the way I would have thought. So I guess it's back to the drawing board, and I hope it's useful.